Many of us sincerely perform certain acts on Shab Barat, believing they are necessary worship. But when we return to the Quran and authentic hadith, we realize that the truth is quite different. Let's break 5 common beliefs. Myth number 1. On Shab Barat, decision of life, death, and provision are written. No, these decisions are written on Lailatul Qadr, not Shab Barat. Quran reference. On that night, every matter of wisdom is decided. Surah Ad-Dukhan. The majority of scholars agree this refers to Lailatul Qadr, not Shab Barat. Myth number 2. Visiting graveyards on Shab Barat is sunnah or compulsory. No, there is no authentic hadith that makes graveyard visitation specific to Shab Barat. Hadith. The Prophet ﷺ said, I had forbidden you from visiting graves, but now visit them. Sahih Muslim 977. Grave visitation is a general sunnah not tied to one night. Myth number 3. Praying a fixed number of rakas like 100 rakah is required on this night. No. There is no authentic evidence for any fixed or special prayer for Shab Barat. Hadith. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever introduces into this matter of ours what is not from it, it is rejected. Voluntary prayers are allowed, but assigning a specific numbers as sunnah is not. Myth number 4. Cooking special food like halwa is a sunnah of Shab Barat. No, there is no authentic hadith linking special food or sweets to Shab Barat. Feeding others is a good deed anytime, but turning it into a religious ritual is incorrect. Myth number 5. Everyone is automatically forgiven on Shab Barat. No, Allah forgives many people, but not everyone. Hadith. The Prophet ﷺ said, Allah looks at his creation on the 15th night of Shaban and forgives all except the polytheist and the one who harbors hatred. Shirk and hatred in the heart block forgiveness. Shab Barat can be a night of reflection and worship, but Islam is built on evidence, not assumptions.